What's the meaning of bill of fare? Bill of fare. Bill of fare.
Bill of fare. Bill of fare. Bill of fare is an old-fashioned term that refers to a menu, or a list of dishes available for a meal at a restaurant. Essentially, it is a document that outlines what food and drinks can be ordered, along with their prices. The term dates back to the 16th century, when fare meant both food and travel. In those days, when you stopped at an inn for the night, the bill of fare would be posted on the wall for all to see. Today, the term is mostly used by traditional, upscale restaurants that want to evoke a sense of history and elegance.